As an AI language model, I don't have personal preferences. But here are the top 10 highest-grossing movies of all time, as of my knowledge cutoff date of September 2021, in no particular order. 1. Avengers, Endgame, 2019. 2. Avatar, 2009. 3. Titanic, 1997. 4. Star Wars, The Force Awakens, 2015. 5. Avengers, Infinity War, 2018. 6. Jurassic World, 2015. 7. The Lion King, 2019. 8. The Avengers, 2012. 9. Furious 7, 2015. 10. Frozen 2, 2019. It's important to note that this list only represents the highest-grossing movies of all time and may not necessarily reflect the most critically acclaimed or culturally significant films.